Hey all, we are trying out toilet bombs recipe which we have found online, and for this you need baking soda, citric acid, dishwashing liquid, and we are using orange essential oil. You can use any essential oil. We've taken around 1/4 cup of baking soda and 2.5 tablespoons of citric acid. Mix the citric acid with your baking soda. Mix it in with a fork so that it mixes it, they blend together, both the powders. Then add in 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. So we've taken 1/4 cup of baking soda, 2.5 tablespoons of citric acid, and 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Mix it in properly. Now we'll add in orange essential oil. Add in as many drops as you would like.
Is it like this?
Now we are going to make some molds of it.
Good.
We are going to now keep them and freeze them, and then we'll use them as needed in the toilet. Just drop one into the commode or the toilet and it should fizzle up and self-clean.
I think I had it recording.
This is the toilet bomb which we made. It was kept in the freezer. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it seems to work. It's bubbling. So there you have it, self-cleaning toilet bomb. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel for more home tips.